Let's play a standard game. Let's see how I'm feeling today. These are all basic lines, basic opening. Yep. Let's see what he plays next. Okay, he plays his bishop. Okay, you play bishop. Fine. You can play whatever you want. I don't want to block my. Yeah, I don't want to block any of my pieces. Slow down. I'll have to play this. He was slowing me down. Horses should not be at the corner, like at the left or right most, because they're the most useless over there. Do I grab it? I think I better grab this one. Yeah. Break his pawn structure. And let's see if I can bring something to the game. That is my bishop. He has castled. Fine. Yeah. Sounds okay. I need to do something about his bishop at c4. I need to be cautious. Let's see. What he plays. Okay. I should push my pawn at a7. Well, if you threaten it, okay. This opens up a lot of opportunities for me. These things up, it would be good for me. How do I want to attack him now? Let's open up his pawn structure. Grabs, I grab him and I attack. Let's. Should I sacrifice my bishop in pursuit of win?
No.
Tuck, tuck, threaten that. No point. Let's play this. his pawn at e4 is unprotected. If there's some way I can grab it, it would be great. I could play next move bishop to g6 or pawn a6. Let's see what he plays next move. Yeah, I knew he would play that. Okay, let's go here. I want to grab his pawn at e4 because that is totally unprotected. If he looks at that and defends it, then well and good, but I could get a free pawn. But then my bishop would be undefended at e4. What's the use of that? Well, now if he brings his queen into the game, it would get difficult for me. He's definitely spending some time thinking stuff over. Well, I can retreat my knight. Let's see what he does next. I want to grab his pawn at e4, but he's really annoying. And also I want to push my pawn at a6. Yeah, his bishop is really his bishop at b5 is pinning my knight. Let's see. I think it depends. Well, I think if I grab one of his pawn, it would be better. It'd be less one piece, plus I'll get a really good diagonal with the bishop. And I can also capture with my queen at h3, the pawn at h3. Then I threaten his rook and stuff like that. Oh man. Okay, he attacks. He grabs my pawn. I should grab his pawn as well. Let's see, let's attack. Good game. Now what? I'm threatening mate with my queen. Well, if he is completely unaware of the move that I'm going to make, that would be good, but I don't know. It could be a really bad mistake, a blunder. I have no clue. Oh, come on, man. Oh man, if he sees my mate move at h1, it's going to be bad. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh man. Oh. Play, man. What happened? What happened, dude? Sledging हो रहा है अभी. Play, man. We're going to run out of time. Hello. I'm playing maliciously, obviously, but I don't know what his defense could be. His defense could be really good. But if he plays his queen at f3, it's great. I win. Well, that was a good match. Okay, I made 3 mistakes, 0 blunders. That is good actually. Basic analysis. Let's check. Okay, book moves to. I had 4 mistakes and 4 inquiries. I made 1 blunder as well, but he was equally bad. Actually, more bad, I guess, since I won. Okay, then. It was a fun match. It's fun winning. It's not fun losing. Well, okay. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.